How are you? I think you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am also well. And I think I am in your prayer always. I am your teacher. So, this is my duty to deliver the good lecture with a view to the students. And you are students, you should take it easy. Meanwhile, you know very well that I have delivered most probably 5 lectures of Volpone, but before going to deliver the last lecture of Volpone act by act, scene by scene, you keep your eyesight on the board. That is Dhaka Women College Depth of English Honours 3rd year, course number 231101, lecture number 06. Volpone, your topics. So the last lecture I think I have completed, that is act number 4, scene number, the last one, 9. Now I like to go the another act and the scene. Act number 5, scene number 1. It was Volpone's house, where Volpone and Mosca became very pleased. They were very happy because Volpone by this time is extricated from the first court of the case. So his soliloquy makes him very pleased. Though he took the dissemblance in the court, but he felt pain and wanted to wash with lusty wine. Act number 5, scene number 1. Now, we like to go act number 5, scene number 2. It's very important. Act number 5, scene number 2. It is also Volpone's house. Volpone decides to indulge another scheme, another project and technique. He wants himself to be declared that he is dead. So that he wants to wash the disappointment, displease and these vulnerable persons, that they are the 3 legacy hunters and also the lady would be. So legacy hunters, on realizing that Mosca has become the heir, Volpone asks Nano and his another deformed creature Castrono to announce that their boss or their patron Volpone is dead. Not only this, Volpone also told Mosca to remain in a noble dress and show the will to them, Mosca, where the Mosca's name is enlisted or described in that will. So, act number 5, scene number 2 important. Act number 5, scene number 3. Another scene and another scene of act number 4, 5. Well, it was staged in Volponi's house. When Nano and Castrono declared that Volponi is dead or Volponi died, this announcement came into the ear of 3 legacy hunters. So normally the legacy hunters come one by one into Volponi's house and disappointed to see the name of Mosca in the will. First of all, actually 3 legacy hunters, Volsar, the advocate, Carpaccio, and also Corvino, and last lady would be, that is 4 greedy persons are present in the Volponi's house. All are dumbfounded, to see the name of Mosca in the will, which is written by Volponi. So normally they became very angry. For this reason, every one of 3 legacy hunters want to talk about the matter, but Mosca dismissed everything by his technique, using his technique. So Volponi became very happy and congratulations on the excellent performance of Mosca. And also Mosca is very happy to drive them from the house. Act number 5, scene number 4. Here we see it was staged in the Tsar politic would-be's house. Peregrine comes in disguise to this night house to befool him, because Peregrine was very angry with the behavior of his wife lady would-be. For this reason, he has come to take a revenge. So he first of all humiliated the knight. How? He told the knight, that is lady, the Tsar politic would-be, that he is being charged within a very short time with the spying for Turkey and will be arrested very soon. The news was informed by Peregrine, but actually Peregrine came here in disguise. So knight realized and tried to say that everything has already been burned. So when Tsar politic would-be revealed everything or revealed his identity, Peregrine realized and leaves the house. Act number 5, scene number 5. It is also Volponi's house. Mosca is in dress, luxurious dress or magnifico dress, which is very valuable. And Volponi was in disguise as a commentator. And they were talking each other, but Suddenly Volpone goes out and Mosca came back his real color. He showed her his real color, that Mosca revealed his intention of cheating his boss or patron Volpone. He also ordered to go out the other two deformed creature of the house, and says that he will trap the fox, that is Volpone. Act number 5, scene number 6. Act number 5, 6. Check. It's not important. It was on a street. Volpone is in disguise as a commentator. Volpone teaches continuously Corbaccio, Carbino, Vulsar. He tells each other there they did not get anything from Volpone, but Mosca is the real or soul here, so that he will be the heir of his wealth of Volpone. He is the owner of, he will be the owner of Volpone. But here Volpone is in disguise talking with these three legacy hunters. Act number 5, scene number 7. 7. Sun. It was also in the street, but another part of the street, another side of the street. Volpone is still or continuously teaching Vulsar and other two legacy hunters. He said that he is trapped by parasites. Volpone actually favors him, the fly, the parasite, the Mosca, and he will be the real hero or proprietor or real owner of his property. He declared again and again, and it is one kind of humiliation of three legacy hunters because they actually wanted to get it. Act number 5, scene number 8. It is on a street. Volpone pesters them continuously. Pesters. Corbaccio and Carbino Vulsar continuously teased them. So they became very angry. And not only to hear the comments of Volpone, but also when Carbino or Corbaccio see the Clarimiso dress worn by Mosca, they became very angry, and Volpone also teases them, and Carbino became so angry that he wanted to attack Volpone. Act number 5, scene number 9. It was also straight. Nine. It was also stretched on street where Vulsar abuses Mosca. Volcani becomes there, or sorry, Volcani comes here and teases Vulture again. For this reason, the advocate Vulture became very angry and also wanted to attack, but in vain. Act number 5, scene number 10. Act number 5, scene number 10. It was second court. It was a important scene of this drama, very important scene. Vulture retraces all his argument and presents all papers, telling the whole truth of the matter, and he said, or he informed to the court that actually Celia and Bonario are not criminal, they are innocent. So Vulture begs of to the justice, or of the justice, beg his pardon to the justice, and says that actually he lied earlier or before the first court. It was not true. Really, they were innocent and they are not criminal, Celia and Bonario. Actually, Mosca is a real criminal. He is a parasite of Volpone. So actually, I, Mr. Advocate, Vulture was guided by his instructions, by his advices. So really, the picture is not real. Act number 5, scene number 11. Act number 5, scene number 11, that is 11. That is 11. It was also happened near Volpone's house. Volpone feels regrets because the drama actually has come to the end. Volpone, his latest adventure was not real, which was delivered by himself and also the advice of Mosca. So this adventure brought a new difficulties for him. He understands that he is fool and learns that Mosca has taken his keys. So Mosca is the real criminal. Act number 5, scene number 12, and this is the last scene and the last act. Dear students, be careful. Yes, last 12, last scene of this drama written by Ben Jonson. You know, this drama is very important and the question will be set for your final exam. So you should have to be active. This is final and it was happened in the court, and the final scene of the court. The advocate Vulture by this time realizes everything, that Volpone is alive. So Volpone actually pretended or pretends to be a different type of actors. So here now, when he understood or understands that Volpone is alive, and he also knows that Mosca is not willing to compromise with Volpone, because by this time Mosca knew everything, that Volpone understands everything about Mosca, and Volpone already knows everything about the Mosca's activities. So the real criminal is Mosca here. So when this result has come to Volponi, Volponi became very angry. So Volponi finding himself in a fix, King Kartobya Bhimor reveals everything in the court. So all evils were punished. This is normal. Balsar tells the court that he pleads to the court that he lies by the direction of Mosca. So Volponi reveals his identity by this time. So second statement was taken or is taken by the court. Volponi realizes that his parasites want to gall him. Finding no other way to extricate himself from the situation, Volponi reveals everything. Though Volponi is a protagonist of this play, so he reveals everything. Now the real picture is clear to the judges, and all the evildoers are given extreme punishment. This is final. So dear students, I think you have understood. I have given the lecture, delivered the lecture, act by act, scene by scene, and here most probably 4 lectures, and 2 lectures are others, the life of Ben Jonson and the Society of England. So including only 6 lectures are here, and you will get the other lectures. You know, by this time some questions are here. So I shall try my level best to give some questions to you. Number 1, discuss Volponi as a comedy of humor. Very important. Write down, please. Discuss Volponi as a comedy of humor. Volponi as a comedy of humor. This question, yes, 17, 12, 13, 15 and 17. This year the question was said in the exam. And now I like to give the suggestion, this question will be said in the next exam. And another question, Volponi as a satire. Volponi as a satire. 2 questions are very important. Volponi as a satire. Volponi as a satire on the contemporary English society. Satire 1. The contemporary English society, on the contemporary English society. I think the 2 questions are here. It's very important. Of course, make a note for the preparation of your final exam. Thank you, dear students. I shall try my level best in the next lecture, maybe the first question. Okay, thank you all. Allah Hafiz. Stay safe and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.